Today it's Tuesday, September 17, yes, 2024. Let's continue with the engine. Let's see a couple of parts. Not what I have, what I don't have. Alright, I have the oil pump here because I need to change the guide, I need to change the solenoid, I need to open the main pump, I need to open the scavenging pump for the turbochargers to see that's okay inside, it doesn't have any problem, especially the shaft, okay? Standing by this one. Let's start here at this corner. What I have the water pump gasket, I have the thermostat, I have the centrifugal, the oil separator that goes on the cylinder head behind. This is supposed to be the belt tensioner. Yes, it is. All right. I have the tensioners for the timing chain. This is guided pulley. No, this is also, yeah. That's the plastic one or the metallic one. This is the metallic one. What comes on the side. All right. Levers. So this, they are the connectors for the ignition coils, exhaust manifold gaskets. This one to secure the nuts. This is for the collector. Yeah, for the downpipe. The two gaskets, the coolant pipes. Forget about these parts. This belongs to a different M157. All right. You're gonna keep watching this in the video until I close this engine. These parts are gonna stay here. Lovely. I have some other parts here, belt gaskets, some other O-rings, flex plate bolts. All right, it's not now the time. I have some other parts down over there as well. Later, not now. The timing cover, I haven't cleaned it, either the bolts. All right. Here I have the crankshaft front seal. I have the electrical connector for the solenoid of the oil pump, for this one. All right. I have the O-ring for the seal for the coolant that comes here, and I have also the seal, the inner seal of the engine oil heat exchanger. This is from the timing cover side. This will gonna stay there. It's not now the time. This is the Woodruff key for the crank. I can install it even now. This one, yeah, okay. Leave it here. The solenoid, like I said earlier, this goes to the oil pump. I have the guide for the oil pump chain. Lovely, keep this there. Then I have the middle guide and the middle tensioner, the one for the middle gear I'm talking about, the one that comes here. Here comes the tensioner, here comes the guide, and here's the gear. All right. I have the oil pump chain, I have the middle chain, I have, this is the right one and this is the left one, main chain. All right. I have this pin for the gear, for this gear. The thing is I don't have the gear. I didn't find anywhere. Plus, I don't have the other guide. This one. I found only this one. This is a new one. All right. Obviously, this is an old one. Lovely. Crankshaft rear seal is here. Here I have the washer and the bolt for the damper pulley. I'm talking about these two stuff, these two parts. All right. I can throw out this frame, I'm calling it an oil pickup tube, sorry. This has a date 2014, August of 2014, and looks like this. Let's take out also this one because I'm gonna throw it out. I'm gonna show you also the old parts. Yesterday I didn't put it on the video. Give me a second to use both hands. And that's the new one. That's the new one. That's the old one. All right. This has a date March 2023. Okay. This, like I said, has August 2014. Now let me put the old one inside of this nylon bag and throw it out. New one there, old one here in a nylon bag. Let's go out to see the old parts. The old parts, I have it here. I put inside of this box. All this belongs to the owner. All right. I have the box, I have the nylons, I have the old parts here. I'm putting also this on top. All right. Yeah. Let's go back again inside. With what I'm gonna continue? I'm gonna show you with what I can continue. I can continue with the oil pump. I can continue. I cannot put the timing components because I miss this gear and I don't want to. I miss also this bolt. That's why I have it here, because I don't have this bolt new, and I don't want to reuse an old gear. The gear, the gear itself, it's fine. The bus has a problem. Not has a problem. I mean, you change the middle one, you change also the other one to have a peace of mind. That's what I'm talking about. All right, and the guide. So, with what I can continue with, I can continue by putting the new pins. I have it there inside. I have it here. Here I have it. Okay. Yes. I can install the crankshaft rear seal. There is no problem. Yep. I can continue wash the timing cover, finalize it, dress it with the seals, but I'm not gonna put it on. I'm not gonna install it, obviously. All right. Putting the 2 pins per bang. The one comes here and the other one comes here to be ready for the cylinder head. Yep. I can also have the fitting here inside. I have the fitting for the timing cover here for the bleeder. All right, I can put also this one, and I can continue with the oil pump. Open it, prepare it, inspect it, change the guide like I said, change the solenoid. Yep, yeah, and they're standing by. I need, like I said, the guide that's missing from the other side, the gear, the bolt, yeah, to be able to close from the timing cover. How it's the order: you dress the timing components, you put it on, you put the timing cover, you put the crankshaft rear seal, you have put also the oil pump at the same time, then you put the oil pickup tube, and then you put the oil pan and the small part of the oil pan. And then I make it upside up, then I continue with the cylinder heads. I don't have the studs though, but okay, yeah. All right, let me do what I have to do now here. Yeah, and continue. They told me to check the parts because before they brought me this box and a couple of bags, but I was busy and I didn't check the parts. And I was thinking that, you know what, okay, I have it all, but I was not expecting that. Yeah, that's a classic on an engine rebuild, especially on the high mileage, 200,000 kilometers engine. Yeah. Enough talking, start working. Finish with the oil pump, the new solenoid valve in place, the new guide in place. It's not being torqued down. Okay, I already opened this, it spins fine. I put oil also inside, it's beautiful. Timing cover, 1, 2, 3 seals in place. The extension cable not now, standing by for later. Meanwhile, keep the rest of the parts there. Yeah, meanwhile, I have received the seals, and I'm gonna show you. Let me open it from the nylon bag here. Okay, this is the most important, this and this. It says 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna show you 1 second for you. Let me go grab the old one. Okay, now I'm changing this pipe for 2 reasons. Actually also for this one, but one reason is this one. You're gonna tell me, Tassos, the seal is here, this one's here. Yes, but this will gonna continue. All right, so better safe than sorry, because to change this pipe you have to open the intake manifold, and this, you don't see nothing. And for this, hey, so what do we have? Let me place it this way. We have this part. Obviously it's brand new, all right, that's corresponding to this part. We have this pipe, that's corresponding to this one, all right, and we have this one, that's corresponding to this one. The other pipe is beautiful, that's why I'm not changing it. It doesn't have any problem. And the 2 O-rings, One for this and one for the other one. Now, let me get the nylons outside and this pipe outside. This is what I want to keep here inside. I'm gonna put the pipe together and then standing by. Okay, you know what? If I receive today actually what I want the intermediate gear and the bolt to be able to move on. I need also the guide. Yeah, what the fuck am I talking about? If I receive it today, I'm gonna continue the video. If I don't receive it today, I'm stopping the video here and you're gonna see whenever I'm gonna receive the other 3 parts. Lovely. Yeah, the engine's being covered. I have it there, standing by.